What's up guys? Welcome dito sa ating channel. So ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng JBL speaker. Ito ang JBL Pulse 4. So i-unbox natin to. Tara. So ang box niya ito. Napakaganda ng packaging. Sound you can see. JBL by Harman. Dare to listen. So ngayon, unbox na natin. Yun. So pagkabukas niya, ito agad ang bubungad sa inyo. Tapos may foam siya. Ito yung speaker. Tapos itong box na to, mga warranty cards at saka mga quick starter guide. Tapos dito sa kabila ang kanyang cable charger. So type C na siya. Type C. So ito naman yung speaker. Wow, ganda. So try natin ngayon kung may naka-charge na ba to. Yun no. Ganda ng kulay. So fully charged siya.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you show me love, when the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, I'll be your army. When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need, I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you tell me you love me, sound the alarms and the chaos is rising. Leading the charge, I'm coming to fight. I swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
So, ayun guys. Sobrang ganda ng tunog niya. Tsaka mas lalong gaganda siya pag nasa madilim ka na area o kwarto. Kasi yung lights niya, pwede mo siyang baguhin. Pindutin nyo lang tong ito. Marami siyang ano. Ito, iba. Ito din, iba. Yan. Marami siyang pagpipilian niya. So, ayun. So, ayun guys, hanggang dito na lang yung unboxing natin at saka sound test. So, I hope nagustuhan nyo itong video. Tsaka ride safe sa inyo. God bless.